Hi, my friends. Come, let me show you how to make black soup. Black soup, as the name shows, is just because the way it looks, combination of vegetables when cooked, then it comes out like this. So I add my cloves, star anise, black cardamom, African nutmeg, bay leaves, and Ashanti pepper, Negro pepper, and crayfish. So these are intentionally selected herbs because black soup is an intentional soup, especially to chase away cold or fever or something. And then here I'm washing my catfish with hot water. I soak it a little bit to get the dirt out, and then I debone it. Then here I'm adding my hot chili pepper. So here you use your discretion, and if you don't like pepper, of course, tailor it to what suits you. Then here I'm adding my selected protein, my cow meat, some hard stew chicken, so again here do you. So do according to what suits you and tailor it to your family. Okay, so I now added my washed and deboned catfish, some seasonings. Then here I added the chili. I intentionally selected the green chili because again it's black soup, right? And then added all the blended spices and herbs together. And then I added a little bit more of mixed chili and other spices, and here I added some water to steam the meat. And voila, that's it. This is not rocket science, guys. It's not rocket science. This soup is an intentional soup. Like I said before, it can chase away cold, fever, some of those flu, feelings. So here I'm also selecting the leaves. These leaves are also carefully selected. They are herbs, really. They are herbs. So I added, all my selected leaves as you can see on the screen. And so again, you can add more or you can add less. But again, I said this soup is intentional, okay? Then what I did after putting them in my processor, I now processed them. The beauty of the soup is that you want all the leaves, carefully processed and come out with that paste like that kind of like you can see it on the screen, right? That's what I'm trying to describe. Yeah. So once you get this so forget about that. So we now went to to check our meat. Everything is just cooperating. Wow, at this point in time, the aroma filled my kitchen. Everything was so yummy already. Then I now added the process. You can blend it, okay? If you want it super smooth, you go ahead. Then I added those blended leaves, like about 4 to 5, herbs here. And that's it. If you like, you can add oil, but I intentionally did not add oil. Okay, so that was my choice. So again, do you and be you. And I try to look for that thickness that I'm looking for. If you want it, a more loose, go ahead. But I wanted my own, that kind of in-between consistency. And that was it. Once you add the leaves, you don't want to cook it for too much. 1 minute, 2 minutes is fine. And that is it. This soup, again, if you have flu, go ahead and eat it because it has more spices, just like pepper soup, and then those spices are added leaves. Like, this is medicine in food form. Okay, make your food your medicine. Okay, and not the other way around. Let your food be your medicine. And guess what, guys? I enjoyed the soup. Everybody enjoyed it in my house, and I went ahead to eat mine with my brown rice fufu. If you want to know how I made this brown rice fufu, scroll up in my channel, you'll see the video. Easy peasy. Okay, so choose any fufu of your choice and enjoy this special delicacy. And this food is from the western part of Nigeria. The Bendelites, the Edo and Delta, they are the ones that are predominantly known for this soup, but other parts of Nigeria and even Africa are already adopting it. Thank God for social media, which is helping us to embrace other people's culture. Bye bye.